Alright, now first step. I'm going to go ahead and put it on safe. Take it and make sure that it's actually safe and single. Pop that up. Flip. Check. Everything's empty. Down. Lock it back. Then check up here. Make sure there's no rounds inside. Slide her forward. Bam. Down. Fire. Fire. Back on safety. Up. Check the peephole. Am I in a good spot yet?
Nope. You have to back more?
No.
More. You gotta crank it more.
You think, I don't
see it at
Two
all.
more?
No, you gotta come forward. I don't think it was latched.
Yeah.
Come forward and latch it.
Lock the bolt.
Yep, there you
That's
go.
not-
Now I'll pull back a little.
Alright.
There we go.
Forward a little bit. Forward a little bit.
Better?
There you go. Yep. Nope. Back more. There you go. You just gotta rotate
No
it.
clicking, you can let go.
Again, that people
Right. On that portion. And down. 2 fingers. 1 for here. 1 for there. Is that good view?
Yep.
Okay, up. Okay. Pop the spring, make sure it's already always on safety. Pop that back. Put it outward. Nope, too far. Get to here on this little groove. Pull that. Set it in the back of here.
Gotta pull that forward, pop that, push that pin in.
Oh, yeah, a little pin. Where's that at? Right here? Okay, put that little stupid spring on the side. Right there's what you're pushing on. That individual piece. Push down, pull out. All the way out.